Hello everyone. This video will assist you in resetting your password for your St. James High School G Suite account. Alright, the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser. And after opening your browser, you can type in gsuite.google.com/dashboard. Alright, I'm going to select this one that says Google G Suite Dashboard. Now, once that comes up, you are going to enter where it says email or phone. You're going to enter the email account given to you that was posted in your group. I'm going to be using this one as an example. dclark.stu@stjameshs for high school.org. And then we're going to click next. Now, next to the email that was given to you on that sheet, you are going to put in the password, the temporary password that was given alongside that. So I'm just gonna put that in now and then click next. Alright, if you notice, another screen comes up for you now to create a new password and to confirm that new password. You have the option of saving. If you're using your personal computer, you can save it, but you don't have to. Please ensure that the password you create is something that you can remember. If you think you're going to forget, just write it down. Alright, so you can go ahead now and put in whatever password. Enter that again in the confirmation button and then click next. After you have completed that process, then you would be finished with resetting your email account given to you by St. James High School. I hope this video was very informative and it can assist you in resetting your password to your St. James High School email account.